like that, 'cause you hurt your knees. I kissed your mouth and goodbye, but that's all I need. Don't build your world around volcanoes melting down, and what I am to you is not real. What I am to you, you do not need. What I am to you is not what you mean to me. You give me miles and miles of mountains, and I'll ask for a sea. Don't call yourself like that in front of me, 'cause I kissed your mouth back. Is that all you need? Don't drag my love around. Volcano melt me down, and what I am to you is not real. What I am to you, you do not need. What I am to you is not what you mean to me. You give me miles and miles of mountains, and I'll ask you for what I give to you. It's just what I'm going through. Well, this is nothing new. No, no, it's just another phase of finding what I really need. Is what makes me bleed and like a new disease. Lord, she's still too young to choose. Hear your voices, right? Volcanoes melt me down. Volcanoes melt me down. Good. Okay, wait 1 second. Over this side. What I am to you is not real. What I am to you, you do not need. What I am to you, what I am to you, you do not need. Okay, stop the clapping for 1 second, because we're all a little bit out of time. It's called distance. You're hearing me later than I'm hearing myself. It's like, what? So it's like 1, 2, 3. Oh, we'll get it. So these guys, so you 2 rows, this row and this row is, okay, no, help me down. You guys have 2 lines, so that's complicated, I'm sorry. What I am to you is not real. is the first one. And what I am to you, you do not need. That's you 2 rows there. You guys get the easy bit. So, we'll start nice and sort of mellow, and then we'll build, kind of like sex, you know? Just really gentle at first. And then we'll kind of just build it up and open up. And you might start feeling warm, that's okay. And then you start letting out more, louder. And then you start moving your body more, and then you can start clapping, but watch the timing. It's not good to go off time and, you know. So let's stay together, and then we'll build and build and build, and we'll come. So here we go. Volcano smell. Very good. A bit louder. Now. What I am to you is not real.